looking for some new flavors. That's it! Today we are going to cook spare ribs the Chinese way. 糖醋排骨 Sweet and sour pork ribs. The recipe is super easy and it's oil-free. Okay, let's start! First of all, let's cut the ribs. If possible, it's even better to further cut them into smaller pieces. Now let's soak the ribs in the hot tap water for about 10 minutes. This step quickly helps to get rid of the blood inside the ribs. Use a kitchen paper to absorb the extra water on the ribs. Heat up the pan and add the ribs directly when it's hot. Remember, we do not need oil for this dish. So what we're doing now is frying the ribs slowly over medium to low heat, so that the grease from the ribs fat comes out naturally. This may take up to 2 minutes. Meanwhile, you can start to boil some water. Add boiled water to cover all the ribs. Here comes the part where we create the sweet and sour sauce. We will need 4 spoons of sugar, 3 spoons of chinkang vinegar, 2 spoons of light soy sauce, and finally, 1 spoon of Chinese cooking wine. It's really easy to remember, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, which means for every 500 grams of ribs, we will need 4 spoons of sugar, 3 spoons of vinegar, 2 spoons of light soy sauce, and 1 spoon of Chinese cooking wine. Now we boil over high heat, then we cover it and cook it slowly over low heat for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, turn to high heat, stir evenly until all sauce is reduced and absorbed. If you like, you can add some white sesame as the final touch. It's pretty easy, isn't it? Now it's your turn to give it a try. That's it! Don't forget to like my video, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Enjoy your meal and see you next time. Bye!